Free ra?
50 sir
Ah.
per fruit slice para mas maduog yun ang mga lorries. So i-hold ra ninyo ang cup niya, ang birds ay maduog.
How much?
50 ma'am.
Mamak.
Wait, ate.
Agad!
No.
Agay!
Hello.
Hello!
Anak siya.
Yan na. Ako guys.
Thank you for the water.
Salamat kayo ha. Muning white African lion din ma'am sir. Okay. Muning yang kauban. Really?
Morning. Kita rin wala tilain. Murag sa tula gini kita rin. Ay, naku. Pila sila ka buok, ma'am?
3 lang.
10 million ka na isa. Pero 8 years old ka. Lalaki sila, ma'am?
Buha, oy!
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Dudong! Ikaw ko, Dudong, be.
So for their lifespan, they can live in the wild 12 to 16 years. And in
Buar, oy.
captivity, they can live 20 to 25 years.
Mimi,
So as you
Okay.
can see, they're not really active because they are nocturnal animals. So meaning,
Muning nga camel sa kuan ma'am kanang sa mga Saudi ana.
Yes, sir. Ang one hump.
Unya nakanindot aning mga flamingo kung sabong ma'am. Tag-as kay kini sila tiil. Guys, di ko kabalo sa onay pag kuan ni murag nindot yun ni tulahon ba? Tula or adobo. Pumili lang mag-asa ni. Ayo tuwi ka ha kay mabuak.
Saka. Dili ako! Ala, oh. Ala, ti ay, nagisi gid ti ay. Sure di ay maguba na akong kalo. Ayaw pa ka. Ayaw pa. Agay! Guba sa akong kalo.
Dilo kay.
Ow! Nay! Biya ba, kay maguba akong phone din. Tara.
Ano tanaw rin kita.
Ano ya?
Iya, ganahan di sir.
Agay!
Talong ka di kayo.
Pag tayo na ka do.
Koi fish ne?
smaller retired stripe, running down on its side extends 60 to 70 centimeters of the shoulder. Both female and male have ringhorn that work backwards, and the fourth fastest land animal since they can run up to 80 kilometers per hour. So comes on the ground. And the highlights here in African savanna are the zebras. So they are black skin with white stripe, and they can use their stripe to camouflage, confuse, and dazzle predators. There are no two zebras with the same stripes or patterns like our fingerprints. And close. And we have also here the water buck. And we have also here the eland, the world's second largest antelope that is a white-bellied color with white lines on its back. A large antelope with white black marking on its face, and we have a long straight throat. Because of its unusual dance move to attract female during mating season.
Grabe dakuan nga butiki eh. Lah, abi na ko statwa. Aga nang hinimo. Tinuod gid siya.
Ginatag-kitag turtle sa dagat og diri.
Nara man diri, langoy-langoy pamanggod nga nung kinahanglan pa mo langoy nga naa nam dinhi. no? Ah, nagkaon siya.
Si Shendra, o, to Shendra.
Ay, na si anak ko. Gadidi. Padulere, di sakit ali.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together to our snatching prayer flight, our Dominicite name, Glider. So formerly known as Red-backed Sea Eagle in Australia, and locally known here in the Philippines as Manok in Bisaya and Lawin in Tagalog. It has a white plumage from its head down to its underparts, and the rest of its color are striking chestnut brown. So a round of applause to our Dominicite name, Glider. So for our second bird is a diurnal type of bird, meaning they are more active and most of their hunting is during the daytime. But before calling him, we will first need a lure. So the lure will be handled by our staff. So the lure will serve as the real food or the real prey, because our birds are going to showcase how sharp his eyesight is and how good he is at catching his food. Now, Mr. Charles, are you ready? Keep your eyes alert to our Philippine Hawk Eagle name, Hunter. So nice catch, Hunter. Now we have here again Mr. James. He has the real food or the real prey because Hunter will not let go of the lure without an exchange. And as you can see, Mr. James here is wearing a thick gloves that protects himself from the sharp talons of the bird. So this bird is under the red list of IUCN as endangered species threatened by habitat loss. Clarity and harmony, our group of pigeons. Our scarlet ibis all the way from South America.
Nag-ikot ba kay Murag?
Kapag dagan, yung maratol na.
Ano ngihi?
Isang taon. Thank you.
Kadako sa...